Day 5, 30 Days of Bird. Today we're going to be trying to play the head of Visa. You ever wonder how Charlie Parker came up with the names of these tunes? Now, here we go. It's going to be a workout. I can already tell this is going to be a palm key / altissimo range workout on the tenor. So here we go. Time starts now. I wish it was at that tempo. Augmented? Anybody? This tune's so bouncy. That's a tricky part. So we got E flat to F. Do I want to go E flat to front F? That seems a little clunky. Was Visa around back then, the credit card company? Or use palm, the palm keys, right? That seems a lot cleaner, but I have to make sure I go from F to D cleanly. And that's not always the easiest thing, especially at a fast tempo. Or is this a work Visa? I'm going to go with the palm keys on that one. I normally play front F a lot of the time, but I think technically it might be easier to use the palm keys instead of front F. So we'll see how it goes. Upbeats, anybody? Just say they want to fly off. It's hard to keep them like there. It's wow. I hate watching myself, but it's so good for me. It's so good for you too. Yeah, they just come flying off. Blah. Damn it. Ah. Wow. So what did I find out today? That was pretty hard, and I need to work on my upper range of my instrument. What I'm learning in this whole process, just this first 5 days, I've learned you need to over-exaggerate how you accent things in order to make them really speak out. And Charlie Parker does this in his heads and in his playing. He is over-exaggerating these articulations and really making the notes that he wants to stand out, stand out. And he's doing the same thing with this head that he's written. So enjoy this one. It's not totally clean, but hey, got it, learned something, had fun. See you tomorrow. Later.